today's video I'll be showing you how to install Flatpak apps in Python. So this is going to be in CashewOS. We're going to be doing this in, I don't know about any other Arch distributions or just Linux distribution. So first we need to install Flatpak if it's not installed, or you uninstalled it. So right now we're doing slow Pacman to install it. Oh yeah, but I don't do this. Then first make sure that your CashewOS is fully updated. Yeah, so you need to make sure it's fully updated right now. I already updated beforehand, and now we can install it. Now we just install Flatpak. I have already installed it, so right now I'm not actually doing anything. I just installed it like right before. Okay, now that we have installed, now we have to let's see, now we have Flatpak installed. Now we look through the list for what app we want to use. So Flatpak, search that name, and right now it's looking through all the Flatpak apps right now currently. On the other hand, if you already have it installed, if you already have like a name for it, you can just paste it in. Yeah, you can just paste it in. I'm gonna do Firefox. So Flatpak installed. This will be for example, if you're downloading Office for your view, let's say you're downloading Brave. If you're installing for Linux, the command will already be there. I just typing it down so Mozilla Firefox. I'm going to be installing Firefox using Flatpak. You can skip this part because you already have Flatpak installed. Now all you have to really do is just install and just paste in the command from the website. See if this is taking too long. Let's do some Brave Flatpak, and then yeah, if you just don't. Okay, yeah, so now you just want to get the command. Let's see if it's done. Yeah, so you just want to do the thing and just put in your command. I accidentally didn't press enter. Yeah, and now you just press Y for yes. And yeah, as you can see right now, it's installing Firefox into it. Just paste in whatever command is used for your app. It will be listed there, or you could just go to the Flatpak repository and install it for there. So after this finishes installing, I'll show you how to open it up. Yeah, mine is already installed right now, so I'm just reinstalling it. So after this is done installing, we're just going to launch it up from here. Or if that doesn't work, we're going to be launching it up from the terminal. Yeah, but now you can see here it's nearly done. And as you can see, it just finished installing. Now let's just type on Firefox inside of that. As you can see, it's up here. For whatever reason, it's not there for you. What you're gonna have to do now is just Flatpak run or Mozilla, or whatever the name of whatever you put here. Mozilla.firefox. Yep. Yep, and as you can see, I just opened it back up. So thank you for watching my YouTube video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and watch my other videos. Thank you.